At the 2025 Japan Mobility Show, Mazda surprised everyone. Not just with their futuristic concept cars, but with something far more revolutionary: the Mazda Mobile Carbon Capture System. This isn't just another green gimmick. It's a real attempt to make internal combustion engines part of a sustainable future. The idea is simple but genius: a device that captures CO2 directly from a car's exhaust while it's being driven. Here's how it works. Mazda's latest concept, the Vision X Coupe, runs on biofuel made from microalgae, which is already carbon neutral. But when you combine that with Mazda's CO2 capture system, the car can actually reduce the total amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In other words, the more you drive it, the cleaner the planet gets. Of course, making biofuel takes energy, and yes, some CO2 is released in that process. But Mazda estimates it's only about 10% of what's produced by fossil fuels. That means we're already talking about a 90% cut in total CO2 emissions. Mazda's capture tech takes it a step further. The system works similarly to direct air capture, but it's far more efficient because exhaust gas contains CO2 concentrations up to 350 times higher than the air around us. That makes it easier and less energy hungry to trap. The captured CO2 can then be reused, whether for growing more microalgae, creating synthetic fuels, or even for green environmental projects. Mazda admits there are still challenges, like controlling exhaust temperatures for better efficiency, managing added weight, and maintaining cabin space. But this is just the beginning. What Mazda's trying to prove is that the joy of driving doesn't have to come at the planet's expense. As Mazda's CEO Masahiro Moro said, "The joy of driving drives a sustainable future." It's a bold statement, and if this technology keeps evolving, it could redefine what it means to be eco-friendly behind the wheel.
The worlds of automotive and technology are coming together like never before, and this is just the beginning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next wave of future tech updates. See you in the next video. Stay fast, stay curious.